Lim. Official, Coast Guard Commander Charlie G. Copiaco, Chief of Staff, Coast Guard District NCRCL. Signed by Coast Guard Probationary and Senior Gio M. Castillejos, Adjutant, Coast Guard District NCRCL.
Thank you, Ensign Jonalyn S. Lantano, PCG, Adjutant, District NCRCL. At this
with a military structure and has its own chain of leadership and management. The PCJ is composed of 15 auxiliary districts, which is parallel to the organizational structure of the Philippine Coast Guard all over the country. In terms of providing humanitarian service to the Philippine Coast Guard, in the performance of their functions and the attainment of their missions. But before you all are formally inducted and being counted as officers and members of the 108 Auxiliary Squadron, Coast Guard Auxiliary District NCRCL, allow me to ask you two important questions, and your answers to these questions should be loud and clear for others to hear. One, did you all come to PCJ on your own free will? Aye! That's snappy, eh?
Snappy, sir.
Number two, are you all of lawful age, truly prepared and well qualified to take on the responsibilities and obligations of being a member of the PCJA? Aye, sir! At this point, I would like to request the attention of our Deputy Commander of Coast Guard District NCRCL, representing the Coast Guard Commodore Arnaldo Lim, Captain Jonathan Marpil. Sir? Sir, all the candidates have answered the two questions with a resounding yes when asked to do service for the PCJA. Considering that you have all expressed your willingness to join the PCJA, may I inform you that you have to assume responsibilities and obligations such as payment of your PCJA annual dues on time, attendance in your scheduled meetings, and active participation in the activities of your respective unit assignment. You should learn to grow more in the PCJ by attending seminars, acquiring information through handbooks and guidelines, and PCJ Regulations Manual, available in print and posted on the PCJA website. Again, welcome to the world of the auxiliary movement, and we hope that you are becoming a member of the PCJ would bring luster to your way of life, particularly the wearing of its prescribed uniform. Wear the uniforms properly and with pride and dignity as you bring honor to the organization. As my parting message, always keep these words of wisdom in mind as PCJ members. We make a living by what we receive, make our life worth living by what we give. Thank you and congratulations to all.
Repeat after me. I, please state your name. Having been accepted as a member of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary 108 Squadron, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by the rules and regulations of the PCGA as prescribed by the Commandant. Dedicate my best effort to carry out its mission of promoting safety of life at sea, protecting the marine environment, conducting search and rescue operations, conducting coastal community relations projects, and assisting in youth development, among others. To effectively accomplish the PCGA mission, I hereby declare that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Please put your right hand down. Thank you and congratulations.
In behalf of our 108 newly inducted members, maraming salamat po, especially sa leadership ng 108 Squadron. Mabuhay po.
Coast Guard Auxiliary District NCRCL, Auxiliary Rear Admiral Joy C. Puno.
Directors to the center stage. Auxiliary Commander Romel M. Lim, 108 Division Bravo.
By the authority of the Director Auxiliary District.
Ang PCGA Hymn.
Onward we go, PCGA, without a limit of saving lives at sea. Dedicated to a service that is true, making this world a safe place for me and you. Forward we go, PCGA, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. Onward we go, saving lives we always do. Ninyo, lahat ng oras kulang man o bagyo, hanggang tumulong sa kapwa Pilipino. PCGA kami handa magserbisyo, sulong kapatid sa PCGA, Philippine